This is the 2012 bike check. The frame itself is a Sunday Forecaster in 20.5 with a Sunday clamp that comes with it. First of all, I'm not speaking English that well because I'm from Germany, but I guess that most of you speak English, so I just give my best or try my best. Then I have an E-clad hub, female, with a demolition team pack and just random hubguard, a KHE Big O, shadow half lane with an E-class sprocket and polished, some 3-piece cranks 170 with Shadow Ravager pedals. One of them broke, so I just got a metal one on the other side. Salt post. I got the Harrow seat. Moving on to the front, I have an FSA headset with a Shadow Ravager stem, Shadow Voltus bars in 8.5, Mankind Asadi, 2 demolition team packs in the front, a Mike Aiken front and back 2.25, and some ODI long necks. Yeah, I think that's it. I have a new channel. I'll maybe try to do some how-tos. Just comment on it and see you.